Very frightened deputy head was the umpire, and I remember striding out, of course, went to the crease, banged.
No, I wish your friend and his dad all the best. I'll put you back to Catherine. We'll get your details. For 133693, there is a classic example, as Daryl has described, how traumatic for this 85-year-old man to be confronted by a knife-wielding
that dictate what a Palestinian state is, and certainly when you look at Gaza with
16 turns down
3 MP.
They even track your use.
Just right down.
No real visual.
We're going to second, third.
and Ukraine, like it does have
At Harvey Norman, add value to your home with the... It's so much to give.
So much to give, but I was always let down by my